Hello, everyone in Fortnite. I'm Jeff Keighley, and this is an unprecedented event we've all gathered for. Millions of us from around the world for an exclusive scene premiere from Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker. As you've seen, there's a little bit more to today's festivities. Why don't you all use your favorite emotes right now to tell me how excited you are about this. We see some of you guys out there. We see Demise, we see Dr. Lupo, Willy Rex. All you guys have gathered here. Luca 4 Gaming, welcome to this special event for the first time inside of Fortnite. J.J. Abrams will be here, and we're going to show you as seen from The Rise of Skywalker. But wait, who's this?
Oh, hello, I am a stormtrooper, but I'm also a person. You saw me moonwalking down here. How is everybody? Let's emote! Let's all dance and emote!
We're all doing quite well, but I was expecting J.J. Abrams.
Well, he's in there. He's in there. He is my closest friend in the universe, so I made sure he's good and in there. That was a kind of a weird trip up there. I was in the bathroom the whole time. What happened? How did we land?
I don't know how you got on them London Falcon in the first place.
Sneaky. Thank you for saying I'm just very good at my job. Look at me march. Look at me march. Look at me march. Look at me march. You know what I mean?
You're an excited stormtrooper. Are you in the film as well?
I am. Oh, thank you for. I would love to plug my own film. It's Star Wars. I am in this film. I believe I did one scene, and JJ was so blown away by me in the background. He was like, "Okay, we're gonna keep putting you in. You're my closest friend. I'm inspired by you." That's what he kind of said.
All right. Well, I hope JJ's actually he's going to be here, right?
I mean, I could bring him out. Do you want me to bring him out?
What do you guys think? Should we bring out J.J. Abrams right now?
Let's do the weirdest emote we can if we want to bring JJ. Yep, that's it. How am I possibly blowing a bubble through my helmet? That's what we asked. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, J.J. Abrams!
Hello, Fortnite. I have never been thinner.
Oh, you look...
Not one time.
You've been working at your legs look amazing,
I come to
JJ.
Fortnite, you know the first thing I do? I don't eat.
You don't eat, and we could tell. You could tell in your legs.
Amazing. I'd like to say hello to everyone in the world. Hola and bonjour.
Oh wow.
And konnichiwa.
Oh my goodness.
Ciao.
And you're not reading this off a list?
No. This is me.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty
Keep
amazing.
going.
JJ is live inside of the game.
Yasu, I'm not...
Oh, sorry, he's still going.
Okay,
Yeah.
keep going.
Hello.
Okay.
Salam. Hey.
It's amazing that you could say these with such precision when your pants are so tight.
Well,
It's amazing to be here. Look at this. This is incredible.
Unbelievable.
insane. Never before have we had a live
Check my phone.
conversation
Hold on,
in
hold on.
Fortnite.
Check my phone.
Oh yeah. This is unbelievable.
Everyone is dancing, emoting, having fun, and JJ, it's so exciting to have you here. Now, since we are in Fortnite, we're in this virtual world.
Yep.
Anything can happen, and we might be able to change even who you are. So you look great as yourself, but what if we change you into?
That's what I'm talking
There you
about.
Whoa!
What I'm talking
look.
about. Thank you very much.
Yeah, and
Dreams come true, my friends.
well, your biggest dream of all could come true because you could become your friend here.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No way.
Here's the thing about the stormtrooper. What is your identity?
FN143. That's my name.
FN143.
Yeah.
They're 4 digits.
The 0 is silent. Oh my goodness! You just turned into. Is that my dad?
Yeah.
Dad?
Can you guys maybe do a dance together or something like
Yeah,
that?
let's do it.
Yeah.
On 3, 2, 1, let's go, Dad. Okay.
That's good.
All right. That's cool. That feels
Look at my
appropriate.
moves. Look at my moves.
Sure, yeah.
You guys are looking good. We can even turn you into me if we want, JJ. No one wanted to do it. There you go. Anything is possible
That's amazing.
inside of Fortnite.
2 Jeffs. This is my
It
fantasy.
is fun being here.
Exactly.
So, the only thing is about FN143. I didn't know that you were going to be here, and
Thank you.
You were a little bit annoying, frankly,
Oh, that's funny.
in the shoot.
Uh,
You kept wanting to do your soliloquy.
Yes, so I had this big soliloquy that I tried to put into the movie anytime. Oh, I can do it right now?
Do it right now if you'd like to.
Trooper. What is a stormtrooper? Are we just the stuff we wear on top, or is there more inside? Anyway, episode 9 is 95 minutes of me doing that if you want to check it out.
That's the big reveal. Well, JJ, you've been traveling around the world. Of course, the film comes out on Friday, December 20th. I wanted to ask you sort of, setting it up for all of us, what can we expect from episode 9?
Before I talk about that, can we discuss how good I look here?
Yes.
You look
This
incredible.
is like BTS, JJ. I
Yeah.
look like I'm in a band.
It's unbelievable.
Here's what I would
It is
say.
good,
The thing that is most exciting for me about Rise of Skywalker is it's the group on an adventure together, and it's full of crazy action and comedy and surprises, and I think it's pretty moving too. So it's hopefully it's good for everyone.
And of course, FN, your scene.
I'm in there. I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen, but there's so many good scenes that I have in this one. I wonder which one JJ's gonna show. I have no idea.
Well, JJ did bring an exclusive scene with us to see from the film, but before we do that, we want to do something kind of interactive with the millions of people around the world who are inside of the game. So you see those pads that are in front of the stage here? Well, they're going to come to life because we're going to ask you a question about what you think this scene is going to be that JJ brought exclusively to Fortnite. What is this scene about? There are 4 options. Move to one of the pads to predict what you think JJ might show us here from episode 9. Let's see here. Everyone's locking in their choices here. You're going to have about 10 seconds remaining now to make your choice, and you can you see we've got Dark Jar Jar, we've got the Jedi Mind Trick, Knights of Ren, and Rey and Kylo Power Ballad. Doesn't seem like FN.
Well, in the comments, you can. Oh, look what we got.
Jedi Mind Trick, JJ. Everyone thinks there might be a Jedi Mind Trick in this scene. Are they right? Are they wrong?
If that's the scene that they want to see, then let's show them that scene.
Wow.
The power of that. All right, well, here it is. This has never happened before, an exclusive premiere of a scene from Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker, which is in theaters on Friday, December 20th.
I am in this scene. Let's check it out. I'm in the scene, definitely.
He's not.
I'm in the scene. Watch out for me in the scene.
You won't see him.
Credentials and manifest.
Use restart.
Give people what they want.
I was unbelievable.
You were
Oh
not- you were not
boy,
in that scene.
I was in that scene. I was the one that fell down and said, "Oops, my knees hurt." That was me. I hope you kept my audio.
Some of your finest work. Well, all you folks, Demise, we see Lulupo, show us your favorite emote about what you thought of that scene from The Rise of Skywalker.
JJ, you want to dance with me real quick?
Sure, I'd love to.
Okay, in 3,
you have.
2, 1, 2, 1. Sorry, I gotta warm up. Here we go.
I got the wiggle.
You got the moves,
I got the wiggle.
Abrams.
How are you able to
got the
wiggle like
wiggle.
that when your
Well-
pants and your clothes are so tight on you? How could you even move?
This is how I roll.
I can hear the stitches breaking
Come
every
on,
time
man.
you wiggle. Oh, there I go, there I go, there I go. I said, here. Okay.
FN143. Thanks, everyone. This was really fun.
FN143.
It's amazing to do this for the first time inside of Fortnite. We are so excited about the film, JJ.
Thank you.
We'll see it, obviously, next Friday. And FN, we'll look out for your scene.
Thank you, guys.
All right?
Thanks so much.
He's not in the movie.
I will be in the movie. Thank you.
Head out. All right.
Thank you all.
Well, thanks very much, JJ. Great to see you.
Bye-bye.
We will see you again soon, hopefully inside of
I'm
Fortnite.
running.
All right, off you go.
Watch me go.
Whoa!
Watch me go.
Hands
Watch me go.
behind.
And I'm done.
Oh.
There goes JJ. But before we leave you, we have one last question that is going to be a very important decision that everyone around the world makes. Now, tell us a little bit about you. The question is, what is your favorite lightsaber?
What a
You don't
question.
get to answer this, FN.
Okay, I might though.
Yeah, do you have a favorite?
What are the choices?
Yes. All right. Well, it looks like we've got red, we've got purple, we've got green, and we've got blue.
Whoa, what's that?
What's going on? I don't know. I've got a really bad feeling about
What
this.
is that? I gotta go. If they're gonna see that I'm here, I'm gonna get in a lot of trouble. I gotta go on this bouncy ball. I gotta go on this bouncy ball. Yeah, bye-bye. That's my catchphrase. Bye-bye.
At last, the work of generations is complete. The great error is corrected. The day of victory is at hand. The day of revenge. The day of the Sith. desert.